Good morning, guys. Welcome to day 2, our morning message for day 2. This week we are working on research question number 4, and we're talking about how our job is different in different places. So we are still researching right now. So I'm going to start us off with researchers. Researchers, comma. So today we will be working, work. Now that's a blue power word, and then I hear working at the end of the word. So that means that I need to add 3 little letters that make the ing sound, which is I-N-G. We are working on completing the second FPO. So yesterday we worked on the first one. Today we are working on the second one. I'm going to abbreviate our final project organizer to just the word FPO for this week. For this week's research. Question. And remember yesterday I told you that shun sound at the end of question is 4 little letters, which was T-I-O-N. Period. We will be comparing. So comparing means seeing how they're similar, and contrasting and seeing how they're different is what contrasting means. Contrasting, we hear that ing again in both of those. Contrasting our job in 2 different regions. So we're going to be comparing and contrasting our jobs in 2 different regions. So our regions, it could be a rural area, it could be a suburban area, or an urban area. And we'll talk more about those in our lesson later. All right, so let's look back at our morning message. It says, today we will be working on completing the second FPO for this week's research question. We will be comparing and contrasting our jobs in 2 different regions. So let's go back and let's go ahead and find our power words in our morning message. I know that you guys can probably see some right off the bat, right? I know I do. I see the green level ones. We will be, that's one that we don't have too often, that is a green level power word. On the, for. This is one that we've seen a lot, as well as we and will, and then our. So those are our green level power words. Let's look. I do see a couple of blue power words, and I even see a red power word in here today. So do you guys see where our blue power word is? I know that I see the word today. That is a blue power word. And then I see a blue power word right here, working. The word work is one of our blue power words. All right, and then where is our red power word? So yesterday we had first, which was a blue power word. Today we have second, which is a red power word. So the word second is a red level power word. And then we also talked about some of those red level skills. We talked about the 4 letters, the ending that makes the shun sound, like in question, right there, the tion. And then we also talked about the suffix ing. We had working, comparing, contrasting, completing, right? And in the word complete, there's kind of a little rule you have to remember because technically complete is spelled C-O-M-P-L-E-T-E. But when it ends with an E, we drop that E and then add the ing. These words right here did not end in an E, so we did not have to drop anything. We just added the ing to it. All right, guys, I hope you have a great time researching your research question today and figuring out which 2 regions you want to compare. Bye, guys.